Ladies and gentlemen, what are you eating? Cashews? Great. Okay. Cashews are great. Hazelnuts are great. Coffee Crisp Pops. Why do you put coffee crisp water wafer pieces with chocolatey coating and modified milk ingredients? What are modified milk ingredients? Cocoa butter? Isn't that like a lotion for black people? And then you've got palm oils and vegetable oils. Okay, so we got oil from a palm tree and various vegetables. So what kind of vegetable is it? Carrots, potatoes, peas. Then we got unsweetened chocolate, and then somehow we just dumped like wheat flour into here. So this flour just dumped in for some reason, and rice flour. Why do we need wheat flour and rice flour and cocoa, and then modified palm oil? So we got palm oil, and then we got modified palm oil. Why? So I think they just like, somebody went to the food factory and they found like barrels of random ingredients, and they just dumped everything they could think of just to deliberately make this unhealthy. And then we got sunflower and rapeseed. What is rapeseed? Lectin, corn bran, gum arabic, and then shellac. We need the shellac to make a shiny coating on the nuts. It's exactly like you would. This is what I would use to stain a deck or paint a desk, and then baking soda, because we're baking something else. And then coconut oil, and then we got protein enzyme. Why do you need to put a protein enzyme, proteins, into your food? And then xylitol, and then last we got natural flavor. Like, I mean, man, you got nuts in here. Like what are people eating these days? Like limited edition. They're gonna make this. You're gonna be a limited edition if you eat this.